All right, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna grease our freewheel bearing on our 2017 or 2018 Jetsurf. What I need is freewheel grease right here. Should come with your Jetsurf. Number 3 Allen key, screwdriver, and some thread lock, or Loctite as it's commonly used. The thread lock is the off-brand. So what we're gonna do here first is I take my fuel tank out, disconnect here, make sure I disconnect my air just to get the fuel tank completely out of my way. So what I'm gonna do first is take my screwdriver. I'm going to jam my gear here so that I can release the screw here. This screw leads to the bearing, and that's what I'm gonna grease inside of. So I come here with my number 3. I can break the screw loose here. Baby. Take my screw here, make sure it's nice and secure. Put it there just to make sure I don't lose it. So my grease right here, little nozzle here. I'm gonna come in every 25 engine hours. I'm gonna grease inside of the bearing right here, okay? You wanna use about half of your grease here, okay? This board's already greased up, so I'm not gonna grease it, but you wanna use about half of this tube that they give you right here, okay? So then I'll secure that back up. I make sure that on anything I do with my Jetsurf, any screw I take off my inside of my engine, I'll do a little thread lock here. Put the screw right back in. Good here, with that little thread lock there, that doesn't need to be there. Make sure it's secure and good. And every 25 engine hours, make sure you do that, every 25. Very simple process, very easy to forget. So make sure that you stay on top of it.